Looking for a big bouncy blow dry that lasts all day? We've got you covered. Start by gently squeezing your hair with a towel to remove any excess moisture. Then mist the hair with GHD Pick Me Up, a root lift and volume spray. Using the GHD Speed with no nozzle, prep dry the hair until it's about 80% dry. Thankfully, GHD Speed is just that speedy, so this step won't take you long. Then, attach the Halo Styling Concentrator nozzle. Take a medium section and curl your hair upwards around a brush until it's at the root, rolling the hair back and forth in the brush as you dry. Thanks to the precision and control of GHD Speed, you'll get a smooth result. Just look at that bounce. Continue this technique until all the hair is dry. This ultra-fast hairdryer will have you ready in no time. To finish, mist GHD Perfect Ending onto a dressing brush and smooth out into beautiful waves. And voila, a bouncy, big volume blow dry that lasts all day.